Nicholas Odhiambo. Tumepata habari kuna pesa imepatikana kwa hii mtaa yetu yenye si halali. Sisi kama wakazi wa huku BTL, kwanza kwa Kenya mzima, hiyo ni kuharibu uchumi ya Kenya. Sasa tunataka watu kwanza wachukuliwe hatua na sheria ichukue mkondo yake. Mimi nimetokea kazi kama kawaida, nikapata shughuli inaendelea. Hata mimi nikashtuka sana, nini inaendelea huku. Ilikuwa tu rental ya kawaida, hata sisi tulijenga huku. Ilikuwa tu mjengo rental kama kawaida. Hatukuwa jua biashara nyingine inaendelea huku ndani.
Officers came up to this place. We were acting on information that some foreigners are dealing with fake currency. We've come. We managed to arrest 3 foreigners who, according to their passports, they are Cameroonians. We have estimated about 3 billion Kenya shillings in terms of foreign currency, which we suspect are fake. That is US dollars and sterling bonds. And of course, Kenyan currency is about 15 billion. In a period of a span of 2 years, this is the second, third case. So in terms of rate of recovery of fake currency, I don't want to say it's rising. I think it's a crime that is being managed. Yes. So Rico thinks this is like a storeroom. It might be produced somewhere. However, among other things that we recovered, there's a Dora machine, which I've said we need to subject it to the experts such that we know whether it's produced here. The fake currency were being produced here, or they were produced somewhere, and this is a storehouse. So we are investigating. We have the 3 prisoners in custody, and we will